Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make all rows same size in Word document. You can see that I have a table with the different row heights. Though in the first method use the distribute rows, which is the quickest method, and in this method you can take the total height of the table and divides it equally among all rows. For this you need to select the table by clicking this four-sided arrow handle at the top corner of the work document, and then go to the layout tab, and now in the cell size group you need to find out the distribute rows, and here it is. You can see that this is the distribute rows. Click on that, and here you can see that the all rows are equally sized in just a one click. There is another method which specify row height. Use this method if you want every row to be a precise measurement. So for this, select the entire table by clicking this four-side arrow on the left side corner, and then navigate to the layout tab, and in the cell size group find the table row height, and here is the table row height, and type your desired height, for example 2 cm, and click outside the cell size, and here you can see the results. So in the third method you need to click this four-sided arrow to select the entire table, and then click right and go to the table properties. Click on the row tab, check this specify height box and put the values, for example zero point 0.6, and click this drop down menu and select the exactly the row height is, and then click OK, and here it is. You can see that all rows are same size in Word in just a few clicks. So with this way you can easily make all rows same size in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.